Elsa here with just a few designs, and today I thought we'd make these little embellishment things. Since we're still at home, right? Are you all being safe? I hope. I have not been in my craft room since the last video I did because I have been watching TV. Thank you very much. But it seems like my craft room is calling me less and less. It's like I'm going through a little crafting slump. But I thought I'd come in here and make some of these really quick just to show you little embellishments to have ready available. Have you ever been in a swap and then you don't know what to add to the swaps and you don't really have time to make all the embellishments right there and then? If you have things like this already made, you can just grab them and use them, and that's what I thought I would do. So today I've been in my craft room just creating and making little packages and little different things that I can have available. Now these are cute little pouches that you can put in a mini to decorate a page. It's a little sort of an envelope. You can use it as a card, a thank you card for somebody. I made these little inserts, just drew the lines, and they go in here. This one has a really pretty border. I used a Martha Stewart punch to do that. This one just has straight across, which is what we're going to be doing. And here's the other little card I made. I just used some of the same paper, the back, and drew some lines on the paper. And this, I just added that on this one. I added them on the red ones also. You could use it to put somebody's name. If you're going to use it maybe to put a picture in a journal card and see what it is. If you put this in a photo album, right, like this, you can leave this out, maybe put a photo here, put the name of the person, put a photo here, and then this would be the little journaling card that you could say what the picture's about with the person's name, and then put this in your photo album. You can just glue it back. If you're going to use it as a card, you can also decorate the back if that's what you're going to do. But anyway, it's something really simple that you can find all the uses in the world for it. Or if you're like me, you can use them, put them in a box, and then forget about them, which is what I tend to do a lot. But I have something coming up that I needed little pretty things to put in, so this is what I'm going to do. And it's really, really simple to make because it takes only 2 sheets of paper, one to decorate, and then even after you decorate, this is how much I had left from the paper, decorating paper, and then just 1 sheet to make the 3 different sizes. And this is all I had from that red sheet of paper. So very little waste, extremely simple to make. You're gonna see. So I hope you stay tuned to watch my little tutorial. Thanks.